If you want to use ArgoCD effectively, you must have basic understanding of some of the tools. Let's explore what are these tools are. These tools are Docker, VM, Kubernetes. Or if you're planning to write templates for the application, you must be aware about these tools. I will use Helm chart and YML for the demo. Now let's talk about the core concepts. I will talk about some of the points which will come during the course. The first is the application. A group of Kubernetes resources as defined by a manifest. This is the custom resource definitions. So application source type. Which tool is used to build the application? Target state, the desired state of an application as represented by files in a Git repository. Live state, the live state of that application, what pods etc are deployed. Sync status, whether or not the live state matches the target state. Is the deployed application the same as Git says it should be? Sync, the process of making an application move to its target state, for example, by applying changes to a Kubernetes cluster. Sync operation status, whether or not a sync succeeded. Refresh, the compare the latest code in Git with the live state, figure out what is different. Health, the health of the application, is it running correctly or not? Can it be serve request or not? Tool, a tool to create manifest from a directory of files like customize, cassonate, C application source types, configuration management tools, C tools. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.